Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this action isn't available to customers under 18 on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Let me tell you that when you try to order something through the Cash App, then it's showing the error like this because you are using the sponsored account. Okay guys, because you can create or establish a Cash App account, but you won't be able to get verify account on Cash App if you are under 18. So if you have a Cash App account and your age is under 13, then it means you have sponsored account from your parents. Okay guys, and your parents maybe restrict you to do these things. Okay guys, that's why maybe you're facing the error like this. If you are going to purchase something and your parent prevent you to do that, maybe that's why you are facing the error like this. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that if you are over 18, if you are over 18, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the Cash App. From here you have to tap on your profile. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on support, and just simply contact with the Cash App support team and tell them that you want to verify your identity and want to get verify account. Okay guys, and just simply contact with them and just simply you have to tap on verify your identity. Just simply you have to verify your identity. Okay guys, and after that guys, you can easily do these things. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.